Cockpit review is of the Piranha Super Spy car, and it is by AMT. It's been redone by Round 2, and it shows our decals there. And let's have a look inside. Actually, on the back here, it shows us the parts. It's a 1/25th scale model. Let's have a look inside. First of all, here we have our main body. Looks like we have some additional parts. So here's the body, fairly well molded. We've got some recessed lines here. Here's our chassis. That will go on top there with our wheel wells, engine bay. We have some additional parts. The molding quality is not great. You can see here we've got some flashing. It just does not look good. Fuel tank. Here is our chrome sprue. We've got some engine parts, lots of engine parts, radiators, springs. We've got wheel parts. Lots of parts there. I don't really like the way that it's molded or painted. We'll have to strip that down. Here we have our wheels. Feel like they're made out of vinyl. Got some trim and some paint on them. You can see there, Goodyear. Here's our glass. You can do clear or opaque. And then, not opaque, tinted. And then there's our rear brake lights. Still has some residue on it. Mold release agent. So here we have our seats, steering wheel. Looks like the weapons. There's our instrument panel. And this is the trunk. Here are our doors. This is the roof, and probably part of the doors as well. Here we have our engine and transmission. You can see here the molding quality is not great. Require a fair amount of work to get that straight. Our steering rack, axle, suspension parts. We have our decals here. Let's have a look at those. Fairly nicely printed. Some good quality decals there. And here's a photograph book of the Piranha Spy car. They are making the tubs. Here's it with the doors open. That's interesting. And the panel there is the engine. For the body parts there. Now let's have a look at the instructions. So we begin with the engine. Fair amount of detail going in there. And next we put the body parts together and mount the engine. Suspension and corners go on. Next you put the wheels on, build the interior and cockpit. There are the colors needed, and then the remaining parts there for all the rest of the body parts. So we have different options or parts going on there. So all in all, molding quality is not great. Details okay. Decals are good though.